Hey guys, welcome to another video here on the 67 Stang channel. So this is going to be a very short video. I don't have a lot to cover, more kind of a general update, but last couple of weeks I have been dealing with COVID. I came down with it, no hospital, nothing like that. Just really was like a very, very bad cold. I had no energy, I was coughing, sneezing, very achy, headaches, all of that. Really precluded me from being able to work on the car or film anything. So just want to give you all a heads up that there's not really going to be much of a video this week. I did want to point out a couple of things. One, that my birthday was right when I had COVID. Yay, what a great way to celebrate my birthday. But my sister-in-law got me this very nice shirt. It says Trip 67 Stang. Want to thank her for the shirt. Now, if you're, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but if you're a true Mustang aficionado, you'll know that this is not a 67. It's a 66, but that's okay. It's the thought that counts, and it's the right color, yellow like my good baby here. So I'm very happy. I like the shirt, so thanks, Sharon. I appreciate the very wonderful shirt, so I appreciate that. Also, I think I mentioned in the last video that National Parts Depot responded very positively to me about the failed relay for the instrument cluster, or I'm sorry, voltage regulator. So here's the new piece they sent me. No problems, got in touch, and they responded quickly. So again, very happy with that. So hopefully very soon I can get this in and go ahead and finish up the dash on there. So once we get the dash all put in place, then the next thing I've got to deal with is the leaky carburetor. I can't really run the car with a leaky carburetor for obvious reasons. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do, if I'm just going to rebuild this one again, which I did last spring, or if I'm going to buy a new remanufactured whatever carburetor on it and put that back on. Or go ahead and do, I had originally thought about doing a 2-barrel swap. So vintage inline 6, I think, has it as a 2-barrel swap kit. We replaced the 1 barrel with a 2-barrel. I've heard some good things about that, be it a Weber or an Autolite carb. Or do I go really big and get the new Holley Sniper 1100 EFI for it? That would require the EFI unit that replaces the carburetor and a new fuel pump sending unit back there. And Lord knows how much fun I've had with sending units on this car. So I haven't really decided. They're all expensive. I said I got a couple of y'all commented about just rebuild the carb or swap out the carb and enjoy driving her for a while, and there's certainly some logic to that. But that EFI system, God, I'll be honest, I really want to go the EFI route. I've seen several videos from Ellie's Garage and Mechanic One. Anyway, I'll mention the name here somewhere, where they installed the Holley EFI Sniper 1100 on their vehicles, and the cars just ran so beautifully. And luckily, I don't think I have to replace the distributor to do that, because this is a straight single, or not single, it's a standard distributor with a vacuum advance on it. So I think it's not the Lodomatic or something they called it. Anyway, I know the Lodomatic was like the transmission, but anyway, something similar. So I don't think I have to replace the Dizzy, at least yet. I mean, eventually I think I probably want to get all that timing and stuff to make it a lot easier. I mean, my light went off. But for the EFI, I don't have to do that. I just have to get the new fuel pump and sending unit to get the pressure I need, and then the EFI unit. I really want to do it. It's just not cheap. So we'll see. I got to get the wife's approval on that. So anyway, with that, guys, I know this is a very short video. I just wanted to let you know why it wasn't going to be more. I still have a slight cough from the COVID stuff, but at least this week I finally feel like a human again, which is a good thing. So with that, guys, Again, sorry for the short video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I promise more content on this car one way or the other very soon. So thanks so much, guys, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.